Hey guys, Scott here. I just wanted to do a quick video and illustrate an interesting phenomenon which you see at turning points. And so what we're looking at today is the fractal nature of turning points. So this is a long-term chart of Bitcoin. You can see it's a very strong uptrend, an unbelievable historic uptrend actually. But what we're looking for is this section of price action here where we painted a couple of days pullback. How can we tell when we've caught the exact bottom? So I'm going to show you that today. So that happened like on the 12th of the 9th. Let's go back to 1 hour. Let's go back to here. And what I want to show you is that this is a 1 hour chart. While we're in this corrective phase, we paint a low, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high. This high is lower than this high. So we're in a downtrend. So we paint another lower low, another lower high. This is the textbook definition of the downtrend. We do not want to be bottom picking or getting long until we see that this phase of stair stepping down has ended. When has it ended? When we can't get another lower low. So so what I want to do is drop this down to the lowest possible time frame, and I'm going to show you what we find. All right, guys. So this here is that whole section of price action which I showed you on a 60-minute chart before, but we can see it more clearly with the 1 hour chart. So what we're looking for is on the 5-minute chart, we're looking for an extremely strong kickoff. Now this move has lasted over a week, and anytime you get a move that lasts over a week, you're looking at an extremely strong kickoff. So when we see this on a 5-minute chart, we're starting to think, wow, reversal may be in play. Now, if the bears want to keep going with this, they have to push the price down below here. You can see that's clearly not happening. Now, if we go back to the 60-minute chart, we should see a retest on, we should see evidence on the 5-minute chart, we should see further evidence on the 15-minute chart, we should see evidence building and building on the 30-minute chart, and yeah, I'll show you how it works. Okay. So we're back on the 15-minute chart here. Now what we're looking for is a strong kickoff and a retest on the 15-minute chart. Even though we're planning on trading this at a higher time frame, we look first at the 5-minute chart for evidence, then at the 15-minute chart, then at the 30-minute chart, then at the 1 hour chart, and we should be slowly building more evidence and more confidence in the idea. So you can see here we have a strong kickoff. We have 2 bars up and 1 bar down. This is a technical term known as a retest. If you have my price action masterclass, you will go into this in a lot of detail. So we have a retest on the 15-minute chart. Okay, now we're back on the 30-minute chart. And if we look at that same bit of price action, this is it down here. We have 2 bars up, 2 bars down, which don't break the old lows, and then a break of the high. This is a classical retest formation. So if we were a very aggressive trader and you wanted to try and make a 10 or a 20-hour winner, you would see first the 5-minute, then the 15-minute, then the 30-minute, and we jump on board right here. Now let's take a look at the 60-minute and see how we can get even more confident. Okay, so we're back here with this same 60-minute chart. We've already had a 5-minute, a 15-minute, and a 30-minute retest, and we look at this pattern of going up but coming down not to break this low becomes very clear. So we get a double retest of this low here, which is the first higher low. It goes up for 2 bars, down for 1 bar. You would be able to get long with confidence here before it shoots up. Now let's look at the 4 hour. Okay, we're back with the 4-hour chart, and you can see off this potential low, which is a potential turning point, we have a move up, we have a move down, which doesn't break the low, and then we have this bullish hammer candle. This is a completed retest. This stuff right here is a retest pattern, and you could get long with confidence here. Or you could do what I did, which is wait for the daily chart and get long here. Now, I got a worse entry. I entered in very late on the daily chart compared to the 5-minute, 15-minute, 1 hour, 4 hour chart, but I entered with much higher confidence. So because I had all that confidence from the previous time frames kicking off one after the other, you can develop more and more confidence in your hypothesis playing out. So that's how you turn a low probability intraday trade into a high probability swing trade. Okay, thanks.